you look at our investors, there's a very interesting mix of very ultra high net worth investors, and then we have some corporates and some PSUs. Now you must understand that no institution can give you any kind of commitment and all. But at the same time, I think when we have spoke to the individuals, I think they're very positive. So the other thing is that it's a little complicated because no one can hold more than 5%. So I think we do need participation of all parties. We had some interest, some occasion approached by some private investors. But I think before we go for whatever valuation, etc., and issue fresh shares, we felt that it is essential that we offer shares on a rights basis at very favorable terms to all PSUs as well as corporates as well as the net worth investors.
Vijay Sarkar, when you say you really indeed have one of the best known names as one of the single largest promoter at this point of time, or holds close to 4.9%, that is Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and there are other set of ultra HNI investors who have pumped in the money. When you speak to them, how confident are they about this particular stock exchange, and are they willing to back you as who's leading the management team at this point of time?
First of all, the exchange does not have a promoter at this point of time. The promoter was FTIL, and I think we had declassified them as promoters. So I think we have a few very good investors. You took Mr. Dr. Jhunjhunwala's name. I have, in my interactions with all investors, and not only with one particular investor, I see a lot of goodwill for the exchange. I see everyone looking at this as an investment which probably over a period of time is going to fetch very good dividends.
The other aspect that I would like to touch upon is MCEX, which was also at one point of time a promoter of the erstwhile MCEX SX, holds 5% directly and holds rest via the warrants. Now, MCEX on one hand has approached market regulator SEBI asking if their holding could go up to 15%. At the same time, by June 19, they have to also sell their warrants, which was one of the preconditions when SEBI renewed your license. So can you throw some light on what stage is MCEX and what is going to be their role with the warrants that they hold in MSEI?
See, MCEX is a listed company, and I really have no lack of standard to ask them about the status of their investments. And I'm sure they would not share privileged information with me like this. So I think we will have to really wait for 19th of the deadline to pass, and then I think we will convene a board meeting on this, and we will seek legal opinion on what is the course open for us.
But Vijay, if I could ask you, in a hypothetical situation, if they have to exhaust their warrants, whatever they hold at this point of time, clearly would that help you increase your net worth by, if yes, by how much?
Oh, if they were to exercise the warrant?
Yeah.
See, if they were to exercise the warrants, or as you said, theoretically relinquish or whatever, I mean, I think our net worth by the end of June should go by 55 odd crores, being the amount of, unexercised warrants lying with them. Whatever happens, either they exercise or they sell it to someone who exercises, or as you said, they relinquish or whatever. I think our net worth really is going to go up. So I think we probably in the month of June, our net worth should be at about 175 crores or thereabout, which is very, very comfortable.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.